Oh my god. I don't know what's happening. I wake up on, was it Saturday, Sunday? I don't know. I wake up. Shawn Mendes is a new face for Calvin Klein. Are you not dying? I am dying a little bit. A lot? This is what dreams are made of. Thank you. Thank you. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and I look very rock and roll today. Digging the choker, digging the look. Today I have a really fun video for you guys. It's a look on this thing that you see on my face right now. It's green. I haven't done a green look in such a long time and I think green is such a cool color. I love how this looks. It's really grungy, it's really messy, so if you're into that, you're gonna love this look. Yeah, I just wanted to do something different, a little bit out of my comfort zone, leave the neutrals for a while and explore and experiment with different colors, and this is how the look turned out. If you like what you see, then make sure to keep watching, but before you do that, don't forget to subscribe for very easy and real makeup content every single week. If you're into that and if you're into this look, go ahead and get started. Okay, so my eyebrow situation is a little strong today, but let's not mind that. I'm first priming my eyes with my beautiful Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. I finally found it. Yes, I found it. Life is great again. And I'm trying to use this fucking thing up, but it's so hard because there's so much product and my eyes are very tiny. Today I'm using two palettes because I'm extra AF. The first one is the Narcissist Wanted palette. Looks like this. This was, I think, limited edition. It's my mom's, but she let me borrow it. It has a beautiful green shadow that we're going to be using, but first I'm going to be using this one to set everywhere. I don't know the name of this because it's fucking... the back is just not... this color. This color right here. Yeah. Now we're gonna be moving on. I'm also gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette for this little... can't fit it in the frame because it's freaking huge. That's what she said. But yeah, this is what we're using today. I'm grabbing... which shade are we grabbing first? It's this one right here, which is Creamsicle. I love it. And we're just gonna run this all over our crease as our transition shade. I'm using a Real Techniques 203 brush. And essentially I'm just using like a yellowy mustard color because we're going in with greens. And if we want our greens to fade nicely, yellow is a great color to put on our eyes, and that'll do the trick basically. Okay, and immediately after that I'm just going into my lower lash line with the same brush, same color, just to tie everything together right now. So now it starts getting a little bit trickier. I'm going in with the shade Mocha Chocolate, this one right here. Same brush. And I'm just gonna run this more into the crease, little by little, so that I don't fuck it up. And I'm just taking the dark color really in. You know, you see this? Into my crease. Again, using the same color in the lower lash line, I'm just bringing it in just halfway, not all the way though. After that, it's time to go in with a clean brush and just blend the edges. If you have a little eyeballs like me, we're going in with a tiny brush, okay? If you have bigger eyeballs, you can go in with something a little bit bigger, but I'm going in with a Morphe M507 brush, which is tiny as hell. You can see it. I mean, it looks normal size compared to my eye because I have tiny eyes. We're moving into the green, okay? Green is a scary color. This is Enchanted. It's this one right here, and it's dark green, okay? It's not easy to use. So we're just gonna grab a little bit in this brush and apply it to our outer corner and bring it into the crease slightly. Not doing a lot, just slightly, and we're going little by little so we don't overwhelm ourselves and our eyes because this is gonna be hard, guys. And you know, since we're not Instagram personalities, we don't have to bring it out all the way up to our temples. If you want that elongated shape, go for it. But I'm just doing more of a rounded shape. Just naturally following my eye shape, if that makes sense. I once told a guy that I wasn't really into makeup. What a lie. I was also 13 though, so I guess it's fine. Sorry bro if you're watching this, which I doubt. I also told him my mom made me wear mascara. Okay, great. And after we do that, even though it doesn't look perfect, we're gonna move on. I'm gonna grab that same shade, same brush, and just run it along the outer half of my lower lash line. Time to move on to the lid, which is my favorite part. I'm using Diva right here. I'm also going back to my Nars palette and using this shade right here because it's a lighter green and I love it. If you don't want it to be super dark, you can go in just with this one, but I'm using the Diva one from the Jaclyn Morphe palette just as like a transition from the really dark color up into the light one. I'm actually kind of mixing into the other green. I like that, how that looks better. So last but not least, I'm just grabbing a little bit of, I'm grabbing a tiny brush if I can ever find one. And I'm gonna need some setting spray, Urban Decay All-Nighter. Going into the same Nars green, I'm just gonna spray it and I'm applying it to the lower lash line, the inner half of the eye. Oh my god, I love that! I just feel like all the colors have meshed together to create like a weird thing going on, but I dig it for whatever reason. So it's time to tightline. I'm going in with this Too Faced Perfect Black Love Water eyeliner thing that has been here forever. And then on the top lash line, I just want something to define. I don't want to do anything super crazy, so I'm going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner and just doing a small, tiny little line just to define my lash line. Nothing crazy. I am still a mess, but I'm just going to be applying some of my mascara. I'm using my Milk Makeup Kush mascara, applying a lot of this. If you guys want to, you could definitely add falsies to make this look a little bit more, but if you don't want to, just apply mascara of choice, and then the eyes will be done, and we can move on to the face. After we're done with the lashes, then the eyes are complete. I'm just gonna go clean up and now we can move on to the face, okay? Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, I have my base on, just foundation, concealer, powder, and we're going to move on to a little bit of contour. So I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour in Dulce de Leche. This is old as hell. And I'm just using a little bit of the contour shade with my Morphe M405 brush. And I'm literally just gonna contour the slightest bit. I just want to add some more definition, and then we will move on to bronzer. Now we're bronzing with my butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. We're gonna blend all that contour, and I'm doing that with my beautiful MAC 135S. It looks like this, and it's my new favorite bronzer brush of life. I'm going in with a little bit of blush. Since the eyes are very, statement and really grungy, I don't want to do much on the cheeks. I already bronze a lot, so I'm going in with a little bit of blush because I am obsessed. And I just need a little something, just a little something. So I'm going in with my Dusk Cloud Paint by ColourPop, and I'm just grabbing a tiny bit of this in this Real Techniques brush that has no name, and just running it all over the cheeks. Once we're done with the blush, it's time to move on to highlighter, and I'm busting it out again, my Mary Luminizer over here by the Balm. It's just a favorite, okay? It's been a favorite for a long time, and I'm just applying a little bit of this to the cheekbones and the inner corners of the eye. Wow, this really changes things. Before we move on to the lips, I'm just gonna set all this with my Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray because why not? Last but not least, I'm moving on to the lips, and I'm doing something really nude because I have a lot going on right now. So I'm gonna go in with my Bite 020 lip liner. You guys know I love this. And I'm using my ColourPop Lippy Stick in Precocious, which is a matte. Love these. And I'm gonna put this on my lips. After our lips are done, we are done, and let me just, let's see what's going on here today, okay? So I really love how this look looks. Wow. Honestly, I don't know why it looks like this on camera. I'm looking in the viewfinder and it's just not looking like it does in real life. I really love how it looks in real life. I really love how messy and grungy it looks. If you're into structure, then maybe this is not the best look for you, but you can totally structure it. But I really love how the green looks in my eyes. I think it's really rocker, but different. It's not like black. I really like the face. It's defined, but it's nothing, out of the ordinary, and I love the blush, of course. And I think the lips work really well with the rest of this, so I really enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think? I think it looks pretty damn good. Okay guys, what are we thinking of this look? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you into the grunge? Are you not? Let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if you loved this video by giving it a thumbs up. It gives me a lot of feedback on what you guys like to see and what you don't like to see. If you're into super easy and real makeup videos, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're in the whole Instagram game, make sure to follow me on there. I think we're done for today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this look. I had a lot of fun creating it, and I cannot wait to see you guys next week for another video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah. I don't know, I need to do more things with my life. I feel like standing Shawn is just killing me. Killing me.